Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming for beginners. In this video, we will show how to use facets in ggplot2 functions in R. So what is the facets? So we know in ggplot function, so we can use facets to play, for example, to place several plots into n columns or into n rows. For example, we can use facets wrap with the variable. So the variables, different values will be plotted in different columns here. So there are several types of facets. So for example, in this function, ggplot for the data frame income and with the mapping AES, so different gender value, female, male, will be plotted with different shape, line type, and color for the variable years and y is salary in the scatter plot. Then after we have set the scale for x and y and with a smooth line for the linear regression types, we use facets wrap, so the job, different values, different kinds of jobs plot will be plotted side by side. So next we will show this example in RStudio. So first we load library for ggplot2. Then we create a data frame by reading a CSV file from working directory, then set several variables as factor type. So we show this data frame for income, salary level, education, race, gender, region, and merit, years, age, and job. So this job status we will use in this example. So next we will plot using ggplot for the data frame income, then mapping for the AES for the X is Y, years and Y is salary. So years and salary will be plotted in a scatter plot using ggplot function with alpha level 0.7. And for female and male, the line will be plotted with different shape, different color, and different line type. Then we set a smooth line for the linear regression type using smooth function. And scale X and scale Y for the different breaks are set, and with a label for the Y we set a dollar symbol. And scale color menu used for X horizontal and vertical axis with different colors for the scale. And next to the facet wrap. Facet wrap will plot job, different values of job in different plot. But these plots will be plotted in a whole figure. In the end, we set a scene for the black and white for a total appearance for the plot. So we just run these commands as a whole. So this figure shows the plot for years and salary with a scatter plot. And for the different job, doctor, driver, engineer, sales, and teacher, these 5 jobs, their figures, their curves plotted in a single plot, side by side. And for each plot, male and female point with different shape, color, and length type. And the scale for the X and the Y has been set with different value and color. And for the Y or vertical axis, set a dollar symbol here. So this is the legend for female and male, female, female, male, female, male, and different shape, different values for the job type. So this comes from the function for the facet, different job. You can also download the source files from this GitHub link, and more videos will be uploaded later on YouTube. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel.